Hey, Vikramondi, this is I'm the group's representative to give a progress report. This week we worked a lot on getting the actual transfer functions for a project done. I'll just share my screen here really quick. And I'll show you a scan of our work so far. So this is our system right here. We're modeling 1/4 of a robot with an electric motor and a wheel attached to it. So here's the resistor, the inductance, and the voltage drop VB across the motor and the V in. And we're calculating for a damping force, maybe in the bearings of the motors and whatnot. And J is the inertia of the wheel, and R is the radius of the wheel, small r. And M is 1/4 of the mass of this section of robot. So we started off calculating the electrical resistance of the system with KVL, and then we made some motor constants like the KT and the K KB, and then we calculated the velocity of we decided to do two transfer functions. One transfer function is theta out of the motor over voltage in, and then we're going to multiply that transfer function with the other transfer function of x, which is displacement in the x direction of the actual robot, over theta in, and we used Newton's laws, and then for the torque, we used the torque of the motor Tm, and we got that from the electrical side of things and just substituted that into there for that transfer function. So then the end result was this function, so x of s, which is a function of all the properties of our motor. So this is the displacement of our robot. This week we also worked a lot on just understanding MATLAB more to try to get a block diagram of the motor in our whole system so that we can have MATLAB spit out the answer to kind of confirm our hand calculations. So we made a little bit of progress on that, but we still need to do a little bit more work on that before we show that to you. So yeah, that's kind of an update of where our team's at right now. We've been looking at the report a bit and just trying to figure out what we're going to say for some of our sections and make sure we're following all your guidelines. Thank you.